up, guys? It's your boy Mark with Mark's Kitchen here at the Green River. A little bit of a different setting. We just caught fatty trout. We're gonna fry it up in some panko, garlic, butter, some oil. It's gonna be real nice. Throw some garlic. Get that nice and fragrant. Gonna take our little trout fillets, a little salt, pepper, some oil in the pan, a little egg, panko, fry it up. Do about 5 to 6 minutes aside.
What's your favorite Mark's Kitchen episode?
This one.
We just eat.
Pretty Mark.
Real now, right there. Thank you guys for tuning in to Mark's Kitchen here on the Green River. I'm gonna go catch some more trout, eat some more trout, and you already know what they say. If you do a Mark's Kitchen, you do your kitchen. Hey.